on that note, let's get back to the program.
If it is to be, it is up to me.
See my dream, be on my mind, will I see her I see him before my eyes.
I wrote down what I wanted in life and got it all except kids. Am I ready to die or should I make the next list? Just piss. Send away potential, that is my fear. Born in the ghetto, I wonder will I die here? Why fear? I manifest the future as a whole, cause time fly faster than a shot from your pole. I know I'm God over what I control, cause I design reality to earn aspirations of my soul. Buy a few buildings and stack until I make a meal. Buy my parents' crib so they never have to pay a bill. Give Dr. Umar money to start the school. Give what's left to Cole, open up a Renum spoon. See, I'm making a plan to own acres of land with no strife. My kids play while I get freaky with my wife in the backyard picking fresh breakfast. I just wanna see all my kids better than me.